Hey guys, it's Maya here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be fixing this super sticky slime that I made, like, seriously, giant slime, but over here it's like, because I already put a bit of borax on this side. Now it's hard, so I'm going to be fixing it. So yeah, I'm gonna not mix with my hand in case I need to pause the video or something. This. But why this? Okay. Now I just gotta mix this all in. Your alphabet voice. Okay, I need to mix this. So this is basically fixing the slime. That's probably what the type was. Fixing sticky slime. And this is just a quick video. I'm just showing you. I know I basically didn't do anything to it, and I'm just mixing it, but already had some borax in it from it yesterday. But there's loads of dirt at the bottom. Could you see? Okay, I think it's all mixed in. No, it's not. Okay, probably is now. It's getting so hard to mix. It's hard to mix now, so I'm going to add more activator, and I'm also going to be back with a spoon. Okay guys, so yeah, I've got a spoon and I've got activator too. Okay, that's better. There we go. Okay, so it's still sticky though, so okay, quick, let's spread it. Oh no, it's got my shirt. I can do a back handspring now, on the floor. Oh my gosh, there we go. Well, I guess it's nearly there. It's not marshmallow fluff. Like a marshmallow fluff, what the hell am I talking about? Okay, it needs more still. I'm mixing with my hands. It's going in with my hands. Those are people. Okay, I went in with my hands. Oh no, this one, no. No, don't do that. That one dirty again. That one's for doing stuff, getting stuff. Oh no, some stone got me. Okay. It's still so sticky. So I'll be back when it gets less sticky. Oh, okay. So it came together a lot more. Look at it. And I'm so glad I actually did this. And yes. This was just a quick video to just update on slime, and yeah. I really want to put colour in this, blue colour, yeah. Blue colour will look really nice in this. Maybe I should add it. Should I add it? Yeah, I'm going to add some blue colour to this. I think blue will look really nice. it going. The colour's going to make it way stickier, so going to make it less. Oh my gosh, it's getting dark again. Oh no, it's dark again. Get light. Okay, there we go. I love this one. Now I fixed it way better. This slime is so good. I should mix all my big slimes. Okay, time for colour. Okay, so here is the colour. Off camera, I kind of was working it a bit more. As you can see, it's more like, this might be my favourite slime I ever did. I'm going to draw a smiley face. Oh my god, it just farted. I guess there's nearly no more. Okay. Oh no. Smiley face. That looks so cool. That looks so cool. I don't want to get blue on my hands. Oh no. Oh no. I nearly got loads of... Look at that. Oh my gosh. So much. Oh no. Okay. There we go. We've got like basics mixed in now. Okay, so I think that's what I'm gonna leave it this colour just because it's a really nice colour. That I'm getting like nearly no more blue left. Wait, I'm gonna do it this way so you guys can see. Is it cool? Wow, yes it is. Okay, so okay, this made it way better actually, the colour. A bit more sticky as I told you. Well, okay, so I'm gonna just like, so I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Please click like and subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Good. Bye. I really don't want to end this video. I just really just want to keep on playing with it and yeah, but